Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Shruti.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, Soumya Devi. Good evening. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to look at the aspect of mental well-being according to Maharishi Patanjali. So what do you think? Do you know this? How can you handle your mind living with variety of different mindsets around you? How do you deal with your mind? Yes, Ketanji, you said something?
No. Basically, yes, that's a very good line when you said, how do you deal with so many mindsets around you?
Yes.
It's not just our mind, but so many people around us also you have to manage.
Through, yes.
Through our intellect, we try to
So,
manage.
anybody?
Ma'am, through our intellect, we try to manage.
Being in present, not carrying the burden of the past and not looking forward to a future.
Your screen is frozen, Shruti, and there's a lot of disturbance. And your voice is not audible.
Okay. So anybody has heard about Chitta Prasadanam? Kalyani ji, please make me host. Anybody? A quick check. Thank you, Kalyani ji. Okay. So, Maharishi Patanjali, he says that how can you keep your mind pleasant while dealing with different mindsets, while dealing with different kinds of people around you? So first he tells you all the people that exist in the world, they all can be put into 4 categories. Okay. तो कैसे 4 categories? ऐसे लोग जो मतलब खुश हैं अपने जीवन में, या people who are doing good work, they are doing good deeds, सेवा करते हैं, help करते हैं, kind of what मेरी क्या बोलेंगे, मेरिट जिससे मिलता है वैसा काम करते हैं, है ना. कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो डीमेरिट मिलता है वैसा काम करते हैं, राइट? या नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं, जैसे टेररिज्म है, अटैक्स ऑन ऑल ऑफ दैट. And then he says, then you will find people who are very happy. Then he says that then there are people who are very disappointed. So 4 categories of people you will find around you: happy, unhappy, people who are engaged in good work, and people who are engaged in not so good demonic acts. Okay? How do you deal with them? What kind of mindset and attitude you should develop for these kind of people, right? So he says, yes, Nidhi, chitta prasadanam. So he says, people who are happy, in their life, towards them, you should have maitri. Maitri is what? Friendly attitude. Make them your friends. People who tend to be happy. Then unhappy people. What do? When you see people unhappy, what happens to you? You start telling them, don't worry, everything will be fine. What is your problem? Tell me, I can help you. Well, just forget about it. It won't help. Your mother-in-law will not change. You do something. Oh, your daughter-in-law won't change. She's like that only. Whatever. You take their trouble and then you are stressed. Right? Then you come home and then you start doubting your daughter-in-law. Yeah. Then you are worried. अरे बेचारी वो कितनी दुखी है, उसकी सास को परेशान करके रखा है, अरे बेचारा वो उसका सब डूब गया. What is happening? No, you are bringing their stress and anxiety in your mind. So here Maharishi Patanjali says, don't do that. Just have compassion for such people. What? Karuna bhav. You can just pray for them. Karuna bhav, compassion. When you have compassion, you don't involve yourself in their problems. I'm not saying you should not help them, but जो दुखी होते हैं फिर वो आपको भी तो दुखी करते हैं ना. Then your mind also takes you for a trip. So you have to take care that you are maintaining the pleasant mind that you have. Third is people who do good work in the society. Some seva, some service, right? So towards them, what kind of attitude you should have? Then he says, mudita. People who are doing good work in the society, you should feel happy. You should be happy for them. Oh, wow, we have such good organization. We have such good people around. They are always taking care of the society, of the old age homes, whatever. Good work. You should feel happy for it, not jealous. अरे ये तो बस सबको दिखाने के लिए करता है, ये करता है, वो करता है. नहीं. Just be happy for them. Okay. Then people who are doing demonic acts that hurts others, that gives pain to the world, to the people, towards them you should have upeksha. Not to curse them. अरे इनका ये हो जाए, वो हो जाए, इनको ऐसा कर देना चाहिए, वैसा कर देना चाहिए. No. If that's not your job, then you should just practice upeksha. Upeksha means what? Ignorance. Indifference towards people who are engaged in sinful activities. When you practice all of these 4 attitudes, Maitri, Karuna, Mudita and Upeksha, 4 attitudes, then your mind becomes pleasant. That is Chitta Prasadanam. Prasad किसको बोलते हैं? प्रसाद कैसा होता है? When you eat prasad, you eat with pleasant mind. No, wow. Even if it is not like, it doesn't look very, tasty or yummy or whatever it is, of course. But prasad itself is, it makes your mind pleasant. Oh, it's prasad. Let me take some. Even if you're not hungry, you'll take some. Right? So it is, your mind becomes like prasad. Chitta prasadanam. Pleasant. A pleasant and happy mind. So this is according to Patanjali concept of mental well-being. Okay. Any questions?
Third one is
Third one is people be happy for the people who do good work. Mudita.
you
Mudita.
Karuna Modita.
Mudita. Upeksha.
Upeksha.
Any questions? No questions?
In
So,
Upeksha for Apunya.
Haan, Nidhi?
Upeksha for Apunya.
Yes. Apunya and Punya. Punya is Mudita.
उपेक्षा का मतलब एज इन किसी की निंदा करना होगा या फिर कंप्लीट
नहीं.
इग्नोरेंस होगा?
Just an ignorance or indifference means they are different from you. Indifferent. तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपका जो वो
I can't hear you. Your screen is also frozen. Can others hear, ma'am?
No. Video was stuck.
yes. So when he was caught, Kasab was caught, तो सब लोग क्या मतलब हर जगह पे इफ यू सी सब जगह पे ट्वीट कर रहे हैं, सब फेसबुक पे मैसेज कर रहे हैं कि कसाब को ऐसे मारो वैसे मारो, इसको ऐसे कर देना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट को ये पब्लिक को दे देना चाहिए. तो ये आक्रोश है वो क्या कर रहा है, वो आपके माइंड को बैठने नहीं दे रहा है शांति से. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू आर फॉर्मिंग impressions, dark deep impressions in your mind. Then you have to meditate, to remove those impressions, deep impressions, because it gets stored in your chitta. So why to spoil your mind? It has already happened, and there is right authority to take decision over what is to be done to him. Whatever you say, it is anyway not going to change anything. Of course, if you are in that role, if it is your dharma, then you do everything. Okay, but you're not in that role, then why to spoil your mind? And even if you want to take any action, you do it without spoiling your mind. You do it without making any impression in your mind or in your chitta. Unnecessary. Why do we have to put so much of our brains in it and use abusive language and keep thinking about it and all that? So it is said indifference, upeksha. Oh, he is different than me. He's different than people, a normal, normal community, society. He doesn't belong to such happy, harmonious society. His probably, I would say that towards such people, we can also have compassion. Oh, poor guy. He was not taught right ethics. He was not taught what is true. We all know they've been, literally brainwashed, saying that after, if you do some, kill these many Indians, then you will get some good, you'll go to heaven and you'll be blessed with all this sort of luxuries after you die and all that. Now, what? Now, if since they are very little young kids, they've been brainwashed like this, then they don't even realize that they are doing something wrong. They feel that they are doing is something great for their own community. So what can you have for them? You can just have compassion and prayers, right? So if you cannot increase your level to that extent that you pray for that soul, or you can have compassion, at least have indifference. That is different. I don't want to get into it like that. And save your mind at any cost. Okay, and this is not about terrorism or something like something something so what do you say, abnormal, but this happens even in our routine life. Someone whom you do not like your boss, or some specific relationships that we hear in the society, in-laws and all of that, some neighbor, towards them also, if they don't understand, if they cause any trouble to you, what do? The moment we see them, our mind starts running it rushes through all the negative emotions, anger and aggression and jealousy and greed and whatnot. So practice upeksha, practice indifference, practice compassion, pray for them. This is what we can do so that our mind can be happy. Chitta prasadanam. Got it? Make sense? Yes? Okay. What else? Any questions?
And these are the ways to keep our mind free from these obstacles.
Yeah, it is ways to deal with different kinds of people around us.
We can keep our mind cool, but
What?
how can we keep our mind cool? Still our mind get disturbed. चाहे हम कितना भी चाहें, हम इग्नोरेंस करें या हम करुणा भाव दिखा रहे हैं भाई जो अनहैप्पी हैं, तो उन लोगों के साथ हम अपना माइंड को स्टिल कैसे कूल रख सकते हैं?
देखिए, अगर आप कंपैशन प्रैक्टिस करें, उसको की नजर से देखेंगे तो आपको उस पर क्या गुस्सा आएगा मनीषा जी? अगर कोई चोर ने आपके घर में से चोरी किया है और आपको पता चलता है कि उसका बेटा हॉस्पिटल में बीमार है, उसके लिए उसने चोरी किया, तो आपका सारा गुस्सा चला जाएगा ना?
In that case,
now in other case you don't know the reason, but still think that अरे बेचारे, उसको इतना भी पता नहीं है कि ऐसा चोरी करके नहीं कमाना चाहिए, कुछ तो रीजन होगा, but I can just pray and have compassion. Got it? What else?
प्रतीक जी, एक चीज पूछती थी मुझे।
हाँ,
ये लोग जो डिप्रेशन में जाते हैं, मेन कारण क्या होगा उसका फिर? क्योंकि जैसे अभी आपने बताया माइंडसेट्स अराउंड यू, जिनसे मैत्री करना है, करुणा करना है, मुदिता रखनी है या उपेक्षा करना है, लेकिन कई लोग सोचते रहते हैं, ओवर थिंकिंग या अननेसेसरी थिंकिंग, तो खुद से कैसे दोस्ती की जाए?
डिप्रेशन आपको खुद से जोड़ने के लिए ही आता है। डिप्रेशन तब होता है जब आप मैक्सिमम डिग्री पे अपने से दूर चले जाते हैं। तो इट इज नेचर्स वे टू ब्रिंग यू बैक टू योरसेल्फ। जब आप डिप्रेशन में होते हैं, if anybody has experienced depression, क्या होता है, आप मैक्सिमम डिग्री तक क्या करते हो, अपने आप से कनेक्ट होना भूल जाते हो, राइट? यू आर इन्वॉल्व इन द वर्ल्ड, मटेरियल वर्ल्ड, and satisfying your senses. Now when you get depressed, what happens? No tasty food makes you pleasant, makes you happy. No matter who comes to meet you, you're not interested in meeting any people, you're not interested in eating any good food, you're not interested to listen to no music will give you joy. You just want to be with yourself. Leave me alone. I don't want to eat. I don't want to listen to music. I don't want to see TV. Nothing. Leave me alone. Now, what is this leaving alone doing? It is bringing back to you to yourself. In a force, what do you say? With no choice. You have to sit with yourself. Meditation is with awareness, with choice. You sit with yourself happily. In depression, automatically. I am saying this at a subtle level, okay? Not getting into biology. I'm not a doctor. But this is what I understand depression does to you. And then when you get depressed, you don't know what to do because nothing makes you joyful. Nothing is pleasant around you. Then you go, okay, how can I learn meditation? I've heard depression, meditation se dur hota hai. Are you getting? The ultimate thing is to come back to yourself, to come back to yourself, to come back to yourself. If you don't come back to yourself on your own, nature will bring you. Nature will create the situation around you where you have no option but to come back to yourself. And you have to walk that path. You have to go through that effort. You have to take that painful journey no matter what. Yes, it is painful. Yes, it is not important. Sorry, yes, it is not easy to wake up early in the morning, do your meditation, do your sadhana. Yes, it is not so easy to say, okay, I'm not going to watch a movie right now, but instead I'm going to sit and meditate. Yes, it is not easy to, tell your friends, okay, I'll come half an hour late, I want to meditate. It's not easy. But is life easy without it? No. Nature is like, I always give this example to my students. Nature is like a doctor looking at a lady who is delivering a baby. Doctor says, don't worry, I'm there to take care of you. I'm there. If anything goes wrong, I am right there at the table. But ultimately, the mother has to go through the pain of delivering the baby. Doctor cannot do anything. Doctor can just smile and see baby coming. Doctor says, don't worry, I am there. If anything goes wrong, I am there. But you have to go. And the moment the baby has the child in the hand, mother forgets all the pain that she has gone through. Likewise, the moment you enjoy going deep in yourself, connecting with yourself, you forget the pain of sitting in the meditation. You forget the pain of not going with your friends for a movie. You forget the pain of not eating the food first. You enjoy. Yeah. Make sense?
Yeah.
Huh? Good example, no? I love this example. Yes, what else?
There is another thing, Shruti ji, that this effort, when you feel this effort and the pain to take that effort, it is only up to a point. And we call that point the tipping point. Once
What point?
that the tipping point,
Tipping point.
TIPPING, tipping point. right? Once we cross that tipping point, then everything is normal, natural, and without effort.
Correct.
So the effort is only till we reach the tipping point and cross it.
Correct. You know, mind is always going to resist. अरे मन तो अपना मन को भेजा ही इसीलिए है ताकि वो रेजिस्ट करे, आपको अच्छी चीजों पे लेके ना जाए आप। क्यों? क्योंकि मन को चुप होना अच्छा नहीं लगता, और आप मेडिटेट करेंगे तो मन चुप हो जाएगा। He does not like to shut his mouth. So the moment you think I want to meditate, it will start chattering. अरे तेरे को खाना खाना है, तेरे को भूख लगी है, तुझे उस मेल का रिप्लाई करना है, तेरे को होमवर्क करना है, तेरे को पढ़ाई भी करना है, अरे वो फ्रेंड का कितना टाइम से कॉल आया था, उसको कॉल बैक करना है। मेडिटेशन मत कर, तू तेरे को बाकी जो करना है कर, मेडिटेशन मत कर, प्राणायाम मत कर, योगा मत कर। क्यों? क्योंकि फिर मुझे चुप होना पड़ेगा। देन यू आर फोर्सिंग मी टू गो अगेंस्ट माय नेचर, राइट? सो I laugh because even my mind troubles me with all of these things. So I will laugh and say it's okay. अभी आपको कुछ चलने वाला नहीं है. I'm sitting for meditation. Then after a while it will quieten on its own. बार बार आप उसको जब चुप करते हैं तो फिर वो एक दिन उसको समझ में आता है कि ये अब मानने वाला नहीं है, मानने वाली नहीं है, इसको जो करना है करने दो। Then it becomes your friend. Until then, consider it as your enemy. Says, no, somewhere it is written, it's a proverb. Your mind is your worst enemy and your mind is your best friend. I tell, it's your worst enemy. Consider that first. It takes long time to make your mind. Otherwise, monkey. So my mind tells me, oh, let's go and have Surat. No, I'm back to Gujarat. You'll have all the yummiest dishes here. So the moment I decided, I booked my dates, my mind started planning this day, this place, that day, this place. Yes. So all the plans I had made, you know, that on this day I'm going to have this dish, this day I'm going to have that dish, I'm going to take all my friends there. And I was noticing it. I was aware that my mind has started, you know, making all the plans only to eat. So when I came, I did not go anywhere for first 3 days. Like, nahi jana. I'll go, I'll have all of it, whatever I like it. But no, I won't go as per my mind's plan. I'll make another plan now. I'll resist, not what you've made. So anytime if I feel that I want to have this dish, I don't like ice cream, chocolates, I'm not naming them, but this, say anything, pizza or burger or whatever, doesn't matter. If your mind says I want to have ice cream, okay, we'll have ice cream after 3 days. Not right now, not when you're asking. Sorry. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're telling your mind, I am not going to do what you tell me. Okay? Because I am the boss. You are not the boss. Make sense? किसी के घर पे कोई डॉग पेट है क्या? Anybody has a pet dog?
No.
सौम्या दे, कौन सा है सौम्या?
मैम लैब्राडोर।
You go take your dog for a walk.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you take him or her for the walk. तो आगे कौन चलता है?
Mostly the dog.
Mostly नहीं, 100%.
Your screen has again frozen, Shruti ji.
Yes. कौन किसको वॉक पे लेके जा रहा है समय?
मैम डॉग लेके जा रहा है हमें वॉक.
तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, बड़ा प्राउडली बोलते हैं भाई इसको घुमाने लेके जा रही हूँ या जा रहा हूँ, लेकिन इंस्टेड डॉग इज टेकिंग अ. अगर बीच में कोई फ्रेंड मिल जाता है आपको, है ना, if you meet your friend on the way somewhere during the walk, and if you really met your friend after a long time and you want to talk, but your dog wants to run away, what will you tell your friend? Will you stay or you will say, okay, I'll see you later?
I'll see you later. He won't let us talk.
Correct. So you will run, right?
Right.
So your dog is like your mind. Then if it doesn't listen to you, goes out of control totally, you will remind, you'll pull the chain, you'll have a stick to remind that, hello boss, I am the owner and I am taking care of you. Correct? So your mind is also like that. Mind is like that dog. All the time dog is running here and there and you are running. You feel that, you are taking for a walk, but it's not that, it's reverse. So you need to always remind your mind who is the boss. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So always see that, your mind is pleasant, is happy, not through your senses, but by your own control. Okay. So this was concept of mental well-being according to Yoga Sutras. Now, syllabus 3 as such doesn't have much, It has how can you work on the basic common diseases like diabetes and hypertension and all of that. So I don't think we need to get much in detail. All the pranayamas and all the asanas would help. जब हमने asanas का proper contraindication किया, we have discussed, who should do it and who should not do it, all of that. So go through your syllabus. एक आपके यूनिट 3 में एक ये भी है, फर्स्ट एड किट का है, बट उसके रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन आते नहीं है. So you don't need to really get into it.
I think
So go through your
CPR,
According to
Shruti ji, CPR is important. If that can be somehow taught.
आदित्य जी, उसमें से कोई क्वेश्चन आते नहीं है वैसे, but
Okay.
I have made a PPT on it. What
Okay.
I'll do is I'll send that PPT to you all. Okay.
Sure.
Just go
Fine.
through it because there's no point me reading the PPT and
Right.
doing it. So you just, for your own information, just go through it.
ठीक है.
And I'll send you the PPT for diabetes and hypertension and everything. But I would say personally, you should, by experience, you will know more about it.
Right.
सिर्फ पढ़ने से आप उसको अपना नहीं बना सकते हैं, knowledge को. It has to come through experience. So I send the PPT, you all go through it. Otherwise, officially the syllabus is complete. Practical mein only Gaumukhasan is left. Other than that, everything is covered. Mudras and bandhas also Krishna ji has covered, right?
देखिए concept of भाव भी है, धर्म, ज्ञान, वैराग्य,
I will send all of that. उसमें भी कुछ भी नहीं है. It is
Okay.
all about koshas. मतलब कोशा को जैसे मैंने समझाया ना,
हाँ,
वैसे ही भाव को भी समझाया है. I'll send that
Okay.
PPT. Okay.
ठीक
हाँ
है,
मनीषा जी.
Ma'am, you were saying that one day we will take about the prayers morning.
प्रेयर बाकी है. आई थिंक प्रेयर्स हमको करने चाहिए. 2-3 और हमने एक किया है ना प्रेयर. So tomorrow what we'll do, we'll take some prayers. Okay, we'll take two prayers,
And
and
ma'am,
we'll discuss that. You
like
should
this
know it.
marks will come of 60 marks theory paper.
क्या?
60 marks theory paper will be off.
I don't know. I think it is. हाँ,
It is-
60 marks.
It is
60
mentioned
marks.
in the syllabus.
Yes, 60 marks.
60 marks theory paper. So ma'am, can you tell us just categorized ki which topic we should prepare according to the theory more?
ये दिया नहीं है क्या? आपके एनाटॉमी फिजियोलॉजी का 6 मार्क्स होता है.
Oh ma'am,
और
categorization is not there. Each topic likewise.
10 मार्क्स आपके टीचिंग और इस पे होगा. 20 मार्क्स आपका योगा एंड डेवलपमेंट पे आएगा, और बाकी जितना बच्चा उतना स्क्रिप्चर्स पे आएगा.
वो यूनिट वाइज तो दिया है वेटेज.
दिया है ना?
हाँ, यूनिट वाइज वेटेज दिया हुआ है उसमें.
तो आदित्य जी आप एक बार ग्रुप में कैसे कहाँ पे दिया है, या आप उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भेज दीजिए.
हाँ, मैं स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दूंगा, बट जो सिलेबस का सेकंड पेज है उस पे दिया हुआ है. थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल सबका वो वेटेज दिया हुआ है उसमें.
उसमें कितने मार्क्स लिखे हैं आदित्य जी?
60 मार्क्स है थ्योरी एंड 140
120
मार्क्स है प्रैक्टिकल.
40
140
है. हाँ
हाँ, सो टोटल 200 मार्क्स का है. उसमें मैं अगर मैं शेयर भी कर दूंगा ये, बट उसमें बता देता हूँ मैं. यूनिट 1 जो है इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ योगा एंड योगिक प्रैक्टिसेस 20, देन इंट्रोडक्शन टू योगा टेक्स्ट 20, योगा फॉर हेल्थ प्रमोशन 20. तो 60 मार्क्स ये हो गए. और फिर प्रैक्टिकल में डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन स्किल्स 80, टीचिंग स्किल्स 40, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ नॉलेज इज 10 एंड फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस इज 10. सो दैट मेक्स 140.
ये फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस कैसे मिलेगा? ये किसके मार्क्स कैसे मिलेंगे? सुनाई नहीं दे रहा श्रुति जी.
No, it's for
आई थिंक फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस प्री कोविड टाइम का है. पोस्ट कोविड एंड पोस्ट कोविड टाइम में फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस को इनको इनका से ओमिट कर देना चाहिए.
or like do we capture?
Sorry, couldn't hear you.
field experience they will not ask, okay, because you are going to give level 1 exam. तो वो लोग जनरली पूछते नहीं है. बट अगर आपके पास है ऑलरेडी, जैसे आप ऑलरेडी योगा सिखाते हैं, बट आपको लेवल 1 का सर्टिफिकेट बस ऐसे ही चाहिए क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट एफिलिएटेड है, तो वो आप उसमें अटैच कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि ये ऑफलाइन होते थे ना, अभी ऑनलाइन हो रहे हैं. तो ऑफलाइन में वो पूरा आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स ये सब लेके जाना होता है, और जब वाइवा के लिए जाते हैं तो मांगते हैं आपसे, सब देखते हैं, उसके बेसिस पे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, लाइक दैट. बट इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड.
मैम ये जब हमारा ये होगा 140 का वो कह रहे हैं प्रैक्टिकल होगा, तो दे विल आस्क अस टू डू द आसन वर्चुअली.
Yes,
they'll give us the marks.
Yes, they will ask you to perform certain asanas, tell the benefits, contraindication, counter poses. They'll also ask you to chant a prayer. They'll also ask you about a mudra. They'll ask you about a certain pranayama. They'll ask you benefit of pranayama according to Hatha Pradipika, and benefit of it otherwise, and contraindications of that particular pranayama. All of that they'll ask.
एक मॉक टेस्ट हो सकती है क्या?
उसे कुछ नहीं होगा, सब कुछ प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा केतन जी।
हम 2-3 मॉक टेस्ट करके पूरा प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे।
आई हैव सम सैंपल पेपर्स, तो एमसीक्यूज तो मैं दे दूंगी आपको, ठीक है। और कभी अगर टाइम मिलेगा, व्हाट आई एम प्लानिंग नाउ इज, आई टोल्ड कृष्णा जी टुडे कि अभी बहुत मतलब प्रैक्टिकल सब कुछ हो गया है, थियोरी सब कुछ हो गया है, नाउ दीज पीपल नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शन, टीचिंग कैसे करना है ना। और मतलब जब वो टीच करते हैं तो उनको एज अ टीचर ये भी याद रखना होता है कि इसका कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशन क्या है, इसका काउंटर पोज क्या है, राइट। तो वी एक्चुअली नीड वी नीड टू गिव देम दिस प्रैक्टिस ऑफ गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड टीचिंग वाला जो मॉड्यूल है बेसिकली। तो ये मैंने उनको सजेस्ट किया एंड देन वी हैव फाइनलाइज्ड इट कि मॉर्निंग में, कल मॉर्निंग में एक साधना आई विल टेक लाइक रिकॉर्डिंग, गौमुख आसन सिखाऊंगी, उसका पूरा डिटेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग विल डिस्कस। आफ्टर दैट मॉर्निंग साधना you have to do it on your own, and evenings कल एक दिन will do two, and then evening we will spend time for this group discussions wherein I'll divide you all into group and give you some task. एक बार किया था ना, if you remember,
yeah.
वैसे ही करेंगे, and then I will monitor all the groups, okay. And likewise then I can also like take a small group का assessing, you know, like जैसे अभी बोला केतन जी ने मॉक टेस्ट लेना है, वैसे क्योंकि वहां पे भी स्मॉल ग्रुप होगा, 4 लोग 5 लोग को एक रूम में लेके आएंगे, एंड देन असेसर्स विल बी सिटिंग एंड देन वन बाय वन दे विल टेक योर वाइवा एंड लाइक दैट, लाइक दिस, ठीक है।
बट ये तो ऑनलाइन होगा ना श्रुति जी?
हाँ ऑनलाइन ही होगा, ऑनलाइन ही होता है ऐसे 4-5 लोगों को। ऑफलाइन तो एक ही होता है, 4-5 एसेसर्स बैठे होते हैं एंड यू एंटर द रूम filled with all the tension and stress and then they will sit on the table, you have a mat and then they will shoot questions. मतलब वो आप आसन कर रहे हो, आसन करते करते आपको 4-5 क्वेश्चन पूछ लेंगे। So you all are blessed that you all have online exams.
हम लोग शवासन करेंगे।
हाँ कर सकते हैं एग्जाम के बाद। And Jalneti also, you know, Jalneti sometimes they ask you to do perform Jalneti. So the day of exam you should keep your Jalneti pot and garam pani and bucket and everything. Only to some people they ask. Once they had asked me also, but they told me आप बिना जलनेती पॉट के सिर्फ एक्ट करके बताइए कि उसको कैसे करना है। We will see your angle and posture and everything. If it is correct, we'll give you full marks. So ऐसे करके करवाया था मेरे को।
Ma'am, you had told that Jalniti we'll be doing on Wednesday, that is 4th. But I was asking you for that wellness program and it starts on 4th only.
Okay, is it clashing? We'll change the time. It's okay. We can do Jalneti at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Jalneti is like very short process. It's like half an hour में सबका हो जाएगा।
Okay, ma'am.
बट वेंसडे तक सबका आ जाएगा ना। मैंने वेंसडे इसलिए बोला क्योंकि सौम्य देव का लेटेस्ट बाय ट्यूसडे आ रहा है, तो हम फिर वेंसडे कर सकते हैं। हाँ आ गया निधि का, वेरी गुड, ठीक है।
I think I should be getting by this weekend.
ठीक है, वेंसडे से लेट अगर किसी का भी आ रहा है पहले है ना, बिकॉज देन विल हैव टू शिफ्ट इट, है ना। अदरवाइज कल के बाद से you'll have to do your sadhana on your own only. Yeah, you all have recordings, so you can play any sadhana and do it on your own. Or I would say you start making your own flow of sadhana also, you know, rather being completely dependent on the videos.
We should make our own videos.
No, नहीं, we खुद का वीडियो नहीं बनाना है. You should make your own flow
of speaking.
कि इसके बाद मेरे को कौन सा आसन करना चाहिए, ये आसन करने के बाद मेरे को कैसा लग रहा है, like that. Do I feel complete after doing this asana? No, then there must be some counter pose. लाइक दैट। तो वो जब मेंटल थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड में चलता है तो आपको चीजें समझ में आती है, निदिध्यास होता है, यू मेक द नॉलेज योर ओन। ओके
श्रुति जी, एक सजेशन था, व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग, कि हम सब लोग मिलके भी तो एक मतलब ग्रुप में साधना कर सकते हैं, सबको डेडिकेट कर दें, आज ये इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा, कल वो इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा, परसों वो, तो सबका प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगा, दे विल क्रिएट देयर ओन फ्लो एंड हर कोई।
आई हैड दिस थॉट इन माइंड नीता जी, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि फर्स्ट टू बी एबल टू टेक दिस इंडिपेंडेंटली there has to be some basic principles where you learn कि कैसे डिजाइन करना है, क्योंकि आप लीड कर रहे हैं तो बाकी सब आपको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर आपने की प्रिंसिपल एक भी मिस कर दिया then it might not be healthy for people। तो जब हम ये ग्रुप वाले सेशंस करेंगे इवनिंग में, I'll tell you what are the key principles you need to take care when you are designing the flow। 1 घंटे का फ्लो, 1.5 घंटे का फ्लो, आधे घंटे का फ्लो। After that we will do this, after that everybody will ask you to make one flow and then you conduct it, you lead the session.
Yeah, after that only, like whenever you feel that everybody is ready, but
yes.
We should try that. Because then only we will also, while delivering, we will understand what mistakes we are doing.
Correct. And then we will also give you opportunity to teach complete strangers. So we want you to prepare to that level, and we will give you the audience and you just have to teach them. That's also in the plan. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll go one step at a time.
Yeah. Okay. एंड श्रुति जी, एक और चीज पहले डिस्कस किया था, एंड बेल्ट भी मंगा के रखा है, तो उसका थोड़ा यूज करना चाहिए।
Let me take one session on that. I had completely forgotten that. Now I'm home, I have all my props. We can do all the asanas that we have learned with props, but it's better that we take this up in the evening, wherein you explore the props and I can guide you with how you can make a particular asana easy by using the props, and how you can make particular asana advanced using the props. Let us do this as a group activity and I'll guide you for sure. Okay, but this will bring a lot of learnings.
अभी कितना कोर्स बचा है श्रुति जी? Almost.
Okay, Ketan ji, theory practical is done. You all go through the practical and theory syllabus, and of course there is some which is like very factual basic things that I'll send you PPT, you just go through it and it is done. उसमें से questions वैसे आते नहीं हैं, मतलब my observation is कि कभी भी first aid का question नहीं पूछते, कभी भी भावा का question नहीं पूछते हैं, और भाव वाला कॉन्सेप्ट कहाँ से आया है ये भी नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं पता, अगर किसी को भी पता चले तो बताना। But because I've made PPT, but where is it? In which scripture is it? Nowhere I could find it. So I'm open to it. If anybody finds it, please give it to me. Otherwise, what I understand from the description, it is all that we have discussed about Panchakosh. Nothing much.
तो अभी और कितनी क्लासेस रिमेनिंग है?
Can someone help me with this? Because I think it should end in September, right?
September. I think we started on 5th of June.
28th August.
है
It was ending on 28th of August.
28th. Earlier when we were to start in the previous month, but then the classes got delayed by about a week.
Yeah, it got delayed. Yeah, so the date is
Yes.
different.
Okay, August, I think 12 weeks में August तक होगा. We should be completing. मतलब we've completed already. Now it's time that we prepare you as a teacher. तो वही सब अभी practice चलेगी, है ना? And we want maximum participation. जितना ग्रुप बड़ा होगा उतना अच्छा है सबके ग्रुप के लिए. Okay?
And they ask how
That will
many
be fun.
questions in theory? How many questions do they
Can't
ask in
say.
theory?
You can't say. You can't say. Theory.
Yeah, theory.
60
How many questions are there?
60
marks.
questions are there.
60 questions are there.
Yes. 60 questions, yeah. कभी कभी अभी तो पता नहीं, अभी तो आई थिंक 60 क्वेश्चंस ही होते हैं कभी, क्योंकि मैंने हैंड रिटन दिया है तो उसमें वो लोग मैच द फॉलोइंग और ऐसे सब भी रखते हैं, तो वो फिर 1 क्वेश्चन इज 5 मार्क्स का और ऐसे होता है. बट आई थिंक अभी एमसीक्यू में तो 60 के 60 होंगे क्योंकि वो डिजिटलाइज हो गया सब कुछ, सो दे डोंट चेक द पेपर. Practical, you can't say how many questions they are going to ask. They will keep on asking, either if they know you know everything, or if you know they know that you are blundering, you are just running around the bush, you are just answering, you think that you know everything, then they will keep asking you and test until you realize that I don't know anything. ऐसा भी करते हैं. So if you don't know, tell them, sir, I don't know this, please ask me something else.
What's the registration process? When do we register for this?
We'll give you a registration link and you simply apply for it. It's very simple.
Ma'am, what is the minimum marks for passing? Like passing marks?
70%.
Theory, practical,
both.
Okay.
But अगर आपने प्रैक्टिकल पास कर दिया ना, क्लियर नहीं हुआ, थियरी क्लियर नहीं हुआ, प्रैक्टिकल क्लियर हो गया, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल हैव वन मोर time, you get one more chance to reappear for theory. But if you fail practical, then you will have to give practical and theory both again. So practical तो करना ही करना है.
Theory में chances होते हैं.
So we have to pass in both the sections, theory and practical.
Of course, but say for example your practicals are clear, but theory you got 60%, you failed. So you will get one more chance to reappear जब भी next examination होगा, and your practical marks will still be considered. So सिर्फ theory का देना पड़ेगा. लेकिन अगर ये उल्टा होता है, आपने practical clear नहीं किया, theory clear कर दिया, तो next time जब आप reappear करेंगे तब practical और theory दोनों वापस देना पड़ेगा. Got it? और एक ही चांस मिलता है आपको reappear होने का. That also we have to register again for it. You have to pay for it.
Please send that MCQs you were saying.
हाँ करेंगे भेजूंगी मैं आपको whenever it's the right time.
We will have a knowledge how to prepare theory.
अरे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मनीषा जी, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप कितने भी मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर सॉल्व कर लीजिए, कोई क्वेश्चन रिपीट नहीं होते हैं.
कहीं से तो हम बन के आते होंगे.
हाँ बन के आते हैं, लेकिन वो कभी एज इट इज क्वेश्चन पूछते नहीं. इतने सारे बच्चों ने एग्जाम दिए, मैंने उनको जितने भी मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर करवाए हैं, बोलते हैं मैम इसमें से कोई क्वेश्चन आया ही नहीं. एंड मैक्सिमम दे रिमेम्बर इज 10 क्वेश्चंस. दे डोंट रिमेम्बर आल्सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस. तो जितने क्वेश्चन उनको याद रहते हैं, बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई मेक क्वेश्चन. But another batch of students come and I tell them previously batch student had got these questions. फिर वो भी repeat नहीं होते हैं.
Ma'am, at least we can have an idea कि इस टॉपिक को हमें बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके जाना है. इसमें से सबसे ज्यादा थ्योरी क्वेश्चन आते हैं.
वो तो बताया ना आदित्य जी ने.
मैम दैट
डेवलपमेंट में 20 है, एनाटॉमी में 6 मार्क्स है, ऐसे करके आएंगे.
आदित्य जी to
आपको प्रिपेयर सब करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि 70% चाहिए, है ना. इट्स नॉट 50%. You have to remember everything. And theory is MCQ, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल तो सब कुछ लंबे लंबे आंसर भी बोलने पड़ेंगे. तो जैसे पंचकोश है तो पूछेगी कि फर्स्ट लेयर कौन सा है, तो आपने मार्क कर दिया अन्नमय कोश, लेकिन वाइवा में पूछ सकते पंचकोश के बारे में 5 मिनट तक बोलो. फिर तो बोलना पड़ेगा। स्वामी विवेकानंद के बारे में बोलो, पता नहीं आपके सिलेबस में आई थिंक नहीं है, शायद है, नहीं है ना, लेवल 2 में है शायद, वैसे होता है। डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, बहुत इजी होता है। लेवल 1 तो बहुत ही इजी होता है, इट्स वेरी इजी, कुछ नहीं है, यू ऑल नो एवरीथिंग। I am confident what I have taught you all have remembered. Okay, so none of my students have failed, so don't break that record.
I've shared the screenshot on the group.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So please study, if not for yourself, please study for me.
Definitely, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
मेरे बच्चे कह रहे हैं मम्मी का एग्जाम आ रहा है अब। How mummy will do that? Every day I told them कि your board is coming, just start preparing. कह रहे मम्मा no, your exam is coming, you start preparing.
Yes. Setting discipline for them. When you study, they will realize that, you know, even if no matter what is their age, but you can study and learn at any age. That's the example that you're setting for your children. What a great learning, great parenting.
People have done their PhDs at the age of 80.
Yeah, of course, no doubt. There is no age to learn.
Absolutely.
No age to learn, I say that, but your cognition, your understanding, the grasping power, everything is there at young age. So maximum exposure should be given to young children. Maximum exposure. This is a parenting tip for all of you, whoever has kids. को सब जो सिखा सकते हो, जो एक्सपोजर दे सकते हो, देना चाहिए। Okay.
And ma'am, one thing, they ask us to chant this Yoga Sutras also during the practical.
First 12. Samadhi
First
Patra.
12.
And 5 shlokas of Bhagavad Gita that you should remember. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Is the time? Oh, it's 5:30.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Shruti ji, एक request थी, if you can share some material on Shatkarma. I mean, I could not attend the workshop in Marginum, but so अगर जो हमारे syllabus में है उतना अगर you can share something.
What do you want? Shatkarma. Did you not get the details, the
No.
PDF of Shatkarma?
No.
Shatkarma to. Did I not cover Shatkarma?
नहीं, अभी इसमें कवर नहीं हुआ है इस सेशन में.
I think there is some postings on
Marginum में आपने कराया होगा, and those people who had joined that program, they had covered it.
It is practically doing it as per the syllabus. Only Jal Niti is part of your syllabus, so that we will do for sure in detail.
हाँ, वो तो करेंगे, but theory part जो है, जो उसमें mention है षटकर्म का, वो अभी शायद अभी discuss नहीं हुआ है.
Not taken. Suresh, you are saying something?
Yeah, there is a document. Maybe I'll post it back. Okay?
हाँ, एक बार post कर दीजिएगा, है, so everybody can go through it. All the 6 Shat Kriyas and little bit basic knowledge about it.
Right.
You should know. Okay. ठीक है, फिर कल मिले मॉर्निंग में.
Sure. Right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Jai Hind.
Thank you.